Hello, everyone. Have you ever dropped an important screw inside your car engine or needed to look inside a dark, narrow pipe? It can be incredibly frustrating trying to see into hidden areas. Welcome to Cool Product, where we help you track down the best industrial endoscope camera for your tricky inspection tasks. Today we are checking out an incredibly flexible camera tool that makes seeing into hidden spaces completely effortless. Let's get started. The Inscam S20 industrial endoscope camera comes packed with absolutely everything you need to completely redefine how you perform visual inspections. Inscam has brilliantly designed this amazing borescope to be the ultimate companion for dedicated professionals and weekend hobbyists alike, perfectly combining flexibility, outstanding clarity, and rugged durability into one incredibly handy tool. Whether you are doing complex automotive repair work or tackling routine home maintenance tasks, this camera consistently delivers professional-grade performance in a remarkably compact package. Let us start by looking at one of its absolute most impressive mechanical capabilities. The Inscam S20 features a brilliantly engineered 180-degree two-way articulating camera head. This clever design allows the physical tip of the camera to actively bend and move from side to side, making navigating through incredibly tight or highly complex spaces completely effortless. Combined with its fantastic 360-degree viewing capabilities, it allows you to easily perform a totally comprehensive inspection from absolutely every single angle. This totally eliminates the frustrating physical limitations you usually experience with traditional rigid scopes. Right at the core of the Inscam S20 is a highly dynamic two-way lens with a very compact 8mm diameter. This remarkably small physical footprint lets the camera slide right into tiny gaps, small spark plug holes, and narrow pipes without getting stuck. It is equipped with a sharp 2.0 MP camera and a very handy 4x digital zoom, ensuring that you can get incredibly detailed, close-up visuals of whatever component you are inspecting. To make sure you never miss a tiny detail in pitch-black corners, the camera head is fully surrounded by 8 adjustable LED lights. These powerful LED lights provide beautifully bright visibility, making this tool totally ideal for delicate automotive inspections like checking deep engine cylinders, internal valves, pistons, and dark spark plugs. Instead of forcing you to awkwardly balance your smartphone in one hand while trying to steer a long camera cable with the other, the Inscam S20 features its very own high-quality 4.3-inch IPS screen attached directly to the main handle. This beautiful IPS display shows exceptionally crisp, true-to-life colors exactly as the camera sees them in real time. The absolute best part about having a dedicated built-in monitor is that it completely eliminates the annoying need to download complicated third-party applications or connect to external smart devices. You simply press the main power button, and the bright screen is instantly ready to go. When you are actively working in messy environments, versatility and toughness are extremely important to get the tough jobs done right. The camera probe boasts a rugged IP67 waterproof rating, meaning you can confidently use it in wet, damp, or heavily oily environments like active plumbing pipes or deep engine blocks without ever ruining the sensitive electronics. The long inspection cable is constructed using a sturdy metal gooseneck design. This specialized material allows the wire to physically maintain its exact bent shape as you push it forward into a dark hole, providing absolutely excellent control and precision viewing as you carefully maneuver around blind corners. To keep you working smoothly without any annoying power interruptions, this flexible borescope is powered by a massive 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. This highly efficient internal battery easily provides up to 3.5 hours of continuous operation, ensuring that even your longest inspection sessions are fully covered from start to finish without needing a charger. Finally, when the difficult job is successfully done, everything packs away neatly into a premium protective carrying case. This durable case keeps the device and all its handy accessories perfectly organized and completely safe while bouncing around in your toolbox or work truck. Are you ready to finally stop guessing and start seeing exactly what is going on inside those hard-to-reach places? Check the price link in the description to pick up this amazing inspection tool for yourself today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome gadget spotlights and helpful buying guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we will definitely catch you in the next video.